teams often struggle to deliver projects on time and with high quality due to rigid and outdated development processes. Introducing Agile methodologies, a game changer for enhancing flexibility, collaboration, and efficiency in your projects. Solution 1. Prioritize customer satisfaction by delivering continuous value. Be flexible and welcome changes. Solution 2. Implement Agile frameworks like Scrum, Kanban, or even a hybrid approach tailored to your team's needs. Solution 3. Build cross-functional teams where members with diverse skills work together towards common goals. This fosters collaboration and speeds up problem solving. Solution 4. Engage in regular Agile ceremonies, such as daily stand-ups to keep the team aligned, sprint planning to define goals, and retrospectives to continuously improve processes. Solution 5. Leverage powerful project management tools like ClickUp, Jira, Trello, and Asana to plan, track, and manage your Agile projects effectively. Adopt Agile to transform your development process and boost your team's productivity and project success. Don't miss out our future tips and tricks. Subscribe to 𝐷𝐷𝐥𝐴I now.